along is an example of how we can merge accounts, or we can merge accounts because we have duplicate accounts, or if there's an acquisition, one account buys another account. So here I am in the Lightning interface. I'm going to just come up here and I'm going to search Husky. I'm going to use the actual lookup option, and it's going to come in and it's going to say, hey, we've got two Husky oil accounts. I can see one has an Interlead ID, the other one does not. What I do is I go back to the classic view. I select my my profile up in the top corner and I say, hey, let's go back to classic. Once I'm in classic, I select the accounts tab, and then I say, let's merge accounts. And then I'll come in and I'll look for Husky as the accounts that we want to merge. And then I can come in and I can see we've got Husky Oil Operations, Husky Energy. We select the next button, and then I can see that this is the one with the Interlead ID and all of our primary data. In this case, I might be making a decision. I no longer just want a Rocky Mountain house. I only want to work off the parent head office record. So I then would make sure all these dots are selected, say next, and then that would automatically merge the accounts for me. The other option that we look at, I just brought up an example here, is that Razor Energy bought Little Rock Resources. So again, if I'm in my Lightning view and then we come in and I say, okay, I'm going to search Little Rock Resources, I can find the account Little Rock Resources. What I do at that particular point here is I'm going to edit the account, and then I'm going to come over and I'm going to change the name to Razor and go ahead and save it. And then after I've done that, I come back up to my profile, I switch over to classic, and then once I'm in the classic view, I go accounts, merge accounts, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type in Razor, and then a little slow in my typing there, Razor, and then I can see the two that I have, and I'm going to say next. Because I used an abbreviated name for this, I know this is the child account, this is the apparent account that I want here, and then I'm just going to say merge, say OK. Now we no longer have Little Rock, and if we had any records related to Little Rock, they would have come over here with regards to any activities that we've had, so on and so forth. So those are the two examples of how we would use that. And then I'll come back up to the top, just say switched back to Lightning Experience, and then I can manage my data appropriately.